Do you want to sound more like a native English speaker? Not just speak correct English, but natural flowing English that makes people think, wow, you sound just like a local? The secret is not in memorizing complicated grammar or giant vocabulary lists. The secret is in the little sentences, short, powerful phrases that native speakers use every day without even thinking. The problem is, most English learners never learn these phrases. In school, you learn hello, how are you? But natives are saying, what's up? You learn, it's okay. But natives are saying, no worries. These small differences are the difference between sounding like a student and sounding like a confident, fluent speaker. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 10 powerful English sentences that will instantly make you sound more natural. You'll learn exactly when to use them, how to pronounce them, and how to practice them so they feel automatic. We're going to follow 3 steps for each. 1. Understand. I'll explain the meaning and situation. 2. Repeat slowly. You'll hear it clearly and copy me word for word. 3. Shadow naturally. You'll say it faster, with the right rhythm, just like a native speaker. By the end of this lesson, you'll have 10 new tools you can start using right away in real conversations. And the best part, you'll feel more confident. Because these are sentences people actually use at work, with friends, even with strangers. So if you're ready to level up your English, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss future lessons. Let's start with the first sentence that can make you sound instantly friendlier. Tip 1. What's up? Meaning in simple English, this is a casual greeting. It's another way to say hello or how are you, but in a more relaxed, friendly way. Native speakers use it with friends, family, or colleagues they know well. When to use it? When you meet someone you already know, in casual situations, not in formal business meetings. At the start of a conversation, often followed by small talk. Why natives prefer it? What's up sounds more personal and relaxed than hello or how are you. It can also mean what are you doing or is everything okay, depending on the tone. Example sentences. Hey, what's up? Haven't seen you in ages. What's up? Are you free later? Yo, what's up? Step 1. Slow version. What's up? Stretch the word, smile as you say it. Step 2. Normal version. What's up? Quick, friendly tone. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me slowly. What's up? Now say it again naturally. What's up? Try to make it sound warm and curious. Pronunciation tip. Natives often blend the T in what's so it sounds like what's up, especially in fast speech. Real-life challenge. Next time you see a friend, instead of hello, try what's up and notice how relaxed the conversation feels. Tip 2. Long time no see. Meaning, this is what you say when you meet someone you haven't seen for a long time. When to use it? After weeks, months, or even years without meeting someone. At the start of a conversation. Why natives like it? It's short, cheerful, and expresses surprise and happiness. Example sentences. Long time no see, how have you been? Wow, long time no see, you look different. Long time no see, let's catch up soon. Step 1. Slow version. Lo si. Step 2, normal version, long time no see, bright, cheerful tone. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly, long time no see. Now naturally, long time no see. Add excitement to your voice to make it sound real. Pronunciation tip. Stress the first and last words, long and see. Real life challenge. Use this next time you meet an old friend or colleague you haven't seen in a while. Do you want me to continue this expanded version for tips 310, conclusion, and YouTube tags so you have the complete 10,000 plus character script ready for your channel? This way, each tip is deeply explained, has multiple examples, and gives clear shadowing guidance. Tip 3. You bet. Meaning in simple English, this is an informal way to say of course or definitely. It's often used as a quick, confident response when someone thanks you or asks if you can do something. It's friendly and shows you're happy to help. When to use it. After someone says thank you to you. When agreeing to help someone. When confirming you can do something. Why natives prefer it. Instead of just saying yes or sure, you bet feels energetic and confident. It shows you are happy and positive about what the other person said. Example sentences. Thanks for helping me move. You bet. Can you send me that file later? You bet. Thanks for the ride to the airport. You bet. Step 1. Slow version. Stretch the vowel sound slightly. Step 2. Normal version. You bet. Short, snappy, confident. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. You bet. Now say it naturally. You bet. Add a little upward tone at the end to make it sound friendly. Pronunciation tip. Make it short and punchy. The T at the end of bet should be clear but not too hard. In fast speech, it can sound like beh. Real life challenge. Next time someone thanks you, replace you're welcome with you bet and notice how casual and friendly it feels. Tip 4. No worries. Meaning in simple English, this means it's okay or don't worry about it. It's a relaxed, reassuring way to let someone know everything is fine. When to use it. When someone apologizes to you. When someone thanks you for something small. When you want to show there's no problem. Why natives like it? It feels warmer than just it's okay and is used in countries like Australia, the UK, and the US in casual speech. Example sentences. Sorry, I spilled water. No worries. Thanks for waiting for me. No worries. I forgot my notebook. No worries, I've got one for you. Step 1 slow version. No worries. Step 2 normal version. No worries. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. No worries. Now naturally, no worries. Say it with a soft voice to show kindness. Pronunciation tip. Blend no and worries so it sounds smooth. No worries. Stress no. Real life challenge. Next time someone says sorry to you, use no worries instead of it's okay and see their smile. Tip 5. I'm in. Meaning in simple English. This means I agree or I want to join. It's often used when someone invites you to do something. When to use it? When you accept an invitation, when you want to join an idea or plan, when showing enthusiasm. Why natives prefer it? It's short, direct, and shows excitement, much stronger than just yes. Example sentences. We're going to the beach this weekend. I'm in. Let's start a book club. I'm in. Who wants pizza? I'm in. Step 1, slow version. I'm. Emphasize the in. Step 2, normal version. I'm in. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. I'm in. Now naturally, I'm in. Smile when you say it, it adds energy. Pronunciation tip. The I'm is quick, almost like stress in. Real life challenge. Say I'm in instead of yes next time you agree to join something. Tip 6. I get it. Meaning in simple English, this means I understand. You use it when someone explains something to you and you want to show you understand clearly. When to use it? After someone explains an idea. When showing empathy, I understand your feelings. Why natives prefer it? It feels natural and conversational, not formal, like I understand. Example sentences. This math problem is tricky. Ah, I get it now. It's hard to work when you're tired. Yeah, I get it. I get it. You're upset because the project is late. Step 1, slow version, e.g. eat. Step 2, normal version, I get it. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly, I get it. Now naturally, I get it. Use a slight nod as you say it. Pronunciation tip. In fast speech, the T in get often sounds like a quick D. I get it. Real life challenge. Use I get it at least once today when someone explains something to you. Tip 7. That's a good one. Meaning, this means that's funny or that's a clever comment. When to use it? After someone tells a joke, when someone says something smart or witty. Why natives like it? It's a fun, friendly way to react to humor. Example sentences. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side? Ha, that's a good one. I told my dog to fetch a stick. He brought me the TV remote. That's a good one. Step 1, slow version. That's a good one. Step 2, normal version. That's a good one. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. That's a good one. Now naturally. That's a good one. Smile or laugh as you say it. Pronunciation tip. Link good in one so it sounds like good one. Real life challenge. Use this instead of just laughing at a joke. Tip 8. Fingers crossed. Meaning this means I hope for good luck or let's hope for a good result. When to use it? Before an important event. When hoping something will happen. Example sentences. My job interview is tomorrow. Fingers crossed. We might win the competition. Fingers crossed. Step 1, slow version. Fingers crossed. Step 2, normal version. Fingers crossed. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. Fingers crossed. Now naturally, fingers crossed. You can even cross your fingers while saying it. Pronunciation tip. Stress fingers slightly. Real life challenge. Use this before a test, interview, or event. Tip 9. You never know. Meaning, this means anything can happen. It's about uncertainty and possibility. When to use it? When talking about future events. When encouraging someone to try. Example sentences. Do you think it will rain? You never know. I might win the lottery. You never know. Step 1. Slow version. You never know. Step 2. Normal version. You never know. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. You never know. Now naturally, you never know. Use a thoughtful tone. Pronunciation tip. blend never and no smoothly. Real life challenge. Use this to encourage someone when something is uncertain. Tip 10. I can't wait. Meaning, this means, I am very excited for something to happen. When to use it. Talking about future events. Expressing excitement. Example sentences. The concert is next week. I can't wait. My holiday starts tomorrow. I can't wait. Step 1. Slow version. Can't wait. Step 2. Normal version. I can't wait. Shadowing practice. Repeat slowly. I can't wait. Now naturally. I can't wait. Say it with big energy. Pronunciation tip. In casual speech, can't can sound like can't with a short T or even can't in some accents. Real life challenge. Use this before something you're looking forward to. Conclusion. So there you have it. 10 powerful English sentences that real native speakers use every single day. These aren't complicated or long, but that's the beauty of them. They're short, easy to remember, and instantly make you sound more natural. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it. Pay attention to the rhythm, the stress, and the emotion in each sentence. Shadow them daily, first slowly, then naturally. If you do this for even 10 minutes a day, you'll start noticing a big difference in how confident you sound. Your challenge for today: pick 3 of these sentences and use them in real conversations within the next 24 hours. Write in the comments which ones you tried and how people reacted. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to Slow English Lab for more practical, real-life English you can use right away. And remember, fluency is built one sentence at a time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.